With our focus on sustainability at spoga+gafa, we want to accompany the green sector on its way to more sustainability. We are focusing on this central theme visually on the exhibition ground, but also in our lecture program.
At this year's Gardena Garden Award, visitors can expect a lot of different innovation. Innovation about biodiversity, sustainability and digital, and also about how to build communities.
We had over 30 applications from 4 different continents, such as like Australia, from Africa and even from America, and we have today a startup here even from Canada, which we are very looking forward to. And in my opinion, it's one of the best awards. It's very diverse and we have great startups with great solutions here today.
Pretty exciting, right? But it's, I don't know, a lot of great teams here, so everybody should have won. Yeah.